In the heart of a bustling village nestled amidst verdant hills, there lived a wise old sage named Master Zen. He was known far and wide for his profound wisdom and his ability to see beyond the surface of things. People from all walks of life sought his counsel, eager to learn from his teachings. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the village, a young traveler arrived at Master Zen's humble abode. The traveler's name was Kavi, and he had journeyed far and wide in search of answers to life's mysteries. "Master Zen," Kavi said with a bow, "I seek your guidance on a matter of great importance. How can one discern the true nature of others, especially those who may harbor deceit in their hearts?" Master Zen smiled warmly at the young traveler and gestured for him to sit beside him by the crackling fire. "Ah, the quest to discern truth from falsehood is indeed a noble one," he began, his voice soft yet commanding. "But to truly understand others, one must first understand oneself." Kavi listened intently as Master Zen began his tale, weaving a tapestry of wisdom and insight. "In a nearby forest, there once grew a magnificent tree," Master Zen began. "Its branches reached towards the heavens, and its roots delved deep into the earth. This tree, known as the Tree of Reflection, possessed a remarkable ability to mirror the true nature of those who approached it." Curiosity sparked in Kavi's eyes as he leaned closer, eager to hear more. "Many travelers would come to the forest seeking guidance," Master Zen continued. "Some approached the tree with hearts pure and intentions true, and they were greeted by a reflection that mirrored their inner light and goodness. But others," Kavi interjected, "surely there were those who sought to deceive." Master Zen nodded solemnly. "Indeed, young traveler. There were those who approached the tree with hearts clouded by darkness and intentions veiled in deceit. And to them, the Tree of Reflection would reveal their true nature, reflecting back the shadows that lurked within." Kavi pondered Master Zen's words for a moment before speaking again. "But how does one know if someone is genuine or fake, if there is no magical tree to reveal their true nature?" Master Zen smiled knowingly. "Ah, the answer lies not in seeking external validation, but in cultivating inner wisdom and discernment. Just as the Tree of Reflection mirrored the true nature of those who approached it, so too can we learn to discern the authenticity of others by observing their actions, words, and intentions." He paused, allowing his words to sink in before continuing. "Fake people often wear masks, hiding their true selves behind layers of pretense and illusion. They may speak honeyed words and wear smiles upon their faces, but their actions betray the truth of their hearts. They may seek to manipulate and deceive, their motives driven by selfish desires rather than genuine kindness." Kavi nodded thoughtfully, absorbing Master Zen's teachings like a sponge soaking up water. "But fear not, young traveler," Master Zen said, his voice gentle yet firm. "For just as darkness cannot extinguish the light, so too can the light of wisdom and discernment illuminate the path ahead. By cultivating a keen sense of intuition and by observing the way others treat those around them, we can begin to discern the true nature of those we encounter." He paused, gazing into the flickering flames of the fire before continuing. "And remember, young Kavi, that the greatest wisdom lies not in seeking to judge or condemn others, but in striving to understand and cultivate compassion for all beings. For in the end, it is not our ability to identify fake people that defines us, but rather our capacity to see the inherent goodness that lies within every soul, no matter how deeply it may be buried." With that, Master Zen fell silent, his words hanging in the air like the lingering echoes of a distant bell. Kavi sat in quiet contemplation, the fire casting dancing shadows upon his face as he pondered the timeless wisdom of the sage. And as the night wore on, the stars twinkled overhead, bearing witness to the timeless dance of light and shadow that played out in the hearts of all beings, both near and far.